Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G60, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link protection on your device. Okay, let's go. So firstly, as you can see, I have a Link application and I have banned Messenger by this application because it's my test Family Link application, test my Family Link account, and child's Family Link account and parent Google account. It's all in test. So how to bypass it? So firstly, you need to remove your Google account, but not afraid, you will recover it. You can recover it during 14 days after deleting. So firstly, remove your Google account. How you can do it? So just open settings, then scroll down, choose passwords and accounts. Here you have your account, child. Then go back, choose Google, choose manage your Google account, and great, choose data and privacy. Scroll down and just choose delete your Google account. Wait a while, enter your password. And click next. Wait a while again. Scroll down, choose yes, and delete account. Great! As you can see, Messenger was successfully recovered on my device. As you can see, it really works. So now just remove parental controls from your device. Just uninstall parental controls. But your parent will give on his Gmail account the message about removing your Google account and about removing your Google Family Link protection. So you need to know it, and you need to say to parents that you have bypassed the Google Family Link. So now you need to recover your Google account. So as you can see, it looks like here. Dear test, child's Google account HardReset.Info 44 is no longer part of your family in Google. This means that HardReset.Info no longer has access to the Google services used by family group. Okay, so now just open Play Store and recover your Google account. Try again. As you can see, Google Play is so buggy in this phone. So firstly, you need to choose password and accounts and remove HardReset.Info 4 account from the child's device. And as you can see, my Nokia say that I can't delete child's Google account because it's not deleted, but it was deleted successfully from this device. So just try to reload. Oh, as you can see now, all my apps was successfully recovered on my device. So maybe now it works. So just try it. Okay, you just need to wait a while until Nokia G60 will understand that the Google account was added on this account, on this device was successfully deleted. So now, after a while, just click sign in, wait a while, enter your email, and now you will see this message: account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next, just click next and confirm your password. So after clicking on this button, on next button, your account will be recovered and you will need to log in again. So just click next. You will see. Okay, maybe without entering in Google account again. So just click no thanks, and cool. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.